Good morning, student. Today we are starting the chapter 2, that is word processor mail merge. Mail merge is a very beautiful feature of the MS Word. Let us define mail merge. It is a facility in MS Word to send the same letter to a number of people. What is the advantages of mail merge? It saves time and efforts. Once the merge has been set up, thousands of letters can be produced very quickly. When you make any changes in one letter, they will be applied in every letter. What are the components of mail merge? Data source, merge document and the main documents. Now let us see how I can implement the mail merge. For this, what you need? One document and one data source. I'm just opening here. Here I have opened the MS Excel. Let us make one file here. I already prepared which I will going to use. Here you can see uh, having a record like roll number, name, class and section. I have entered 5 roll numbers, 5 name, 5 and the concerning classes and the sections. Right? What is the first thing you have to do? You have to save it. Right? And you should save it the place where you can find it out quickly. I am saving this in the desktop so that I can pick up very quickly. Here is my desktop. Double click. Now I am saving here again. Since I saved in the desktop earlier also, so it's asking. So I will say yes, we can replace it. Let me minimize this document that is called our data source. Now this is my main document. Right? Let us start the mail merge. For this, you can see here so many menus are there like home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review and the view. Let us click on the mailing. As we will click on the mailing, from here you have to click on start mail merge. Right? You can see this arrow button, just click it here. And then from here you have to select step by step mail merge wizard. As you will click it, one helping window will get open. Now whatever the instruction it will give, just keep on doing. So understood what is the first thing you have to do? First you should have a one main document and then select the mailing from the menu and then select the start mail merge. From here you have to click on the wizard. Right? Now whatever the instruction it will give, we'll keep on doing. So starting the document. Fine. Now let us browse the data. Means we have to browse the data source. Where we have saved it? We have saved in the desktop. Let us go to the desktop. What is the name of the file? It was merging. So let me call it very quickly by simply writing the name. It's open. Fine. It's asking your data is in sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. It was in sheet 1 if you remember. Say okay. Fine. Now as I shown you, we have the records like roll number, name, class and the section. It is again show you, do you want to take all the records? Yes, we want to take all the records. If you don't want to take any records, you can simply demark it. If you want to take, you have to simply mark it. Now say okay. Now all the content of that file has been transported here. Now how we are going to use it, that we will see. Here you can see the insert mail merge field. So what was our records? Roll number, name, class and section. So here you can see in the main document, it is showing the roll number, name, class and section. So first I want the roll number. Right? I will just click it here and I will go here and roll number insert. Fine, it has been inserted here. Let me go there so that we have to work on beautification also. right? And then let me close this data because some documentation has been disturbed. Let me make it proper. Yeah, beautiful. Less is very important. Yes, now it's okay. Everything in the proper symmetry. Roll number we have inserted here. Now I want the name here, so let me double click the name. Again I will go over there, that the insert mail merge. So this time I want name. So name has been inserted here. Now I want class here. So I will again go there and click on the class field. Now I want the section yellow, but little bit alignment has been disturbed here. So let me make it proper. We should not compromise on the alignment part. Here the roll number, it's here, and last is section, right? So let me insert it, right? Close this box. Now let me again set the alignment properly. Fine. And let me remove this. It is inserted by mistake. Let me delete this box here. Fine. Now what we will see, we'll check it out. Here you can see preview the result. We'll see all the result one by one. You can see first was Amit Chaudhary. It is showing here. Now what is the next? It's Smitha Rani. And what is the next? Third is not showing. Let me click it properly. Now it is showing the third record also. Now fourth record and the fifth record. Clear? Right? Now let us click it here. Now here it will show you three options. One is print the documents, send the email messages, and edit the individual documents. Now we'll click it here. Now what is going to happen if we will set this? We have a total 5 records, so set all the numbers here. By mistake it happens. Let me click it here. 1 and 5 and okay. Let us see what is going to happen. Now this is my first record. Now here you can see the second record. Here you can see the third record. Here you can see the fourth record. Here you can see the 5 records. This can be done with the help of this mail merge features. We have designed only one document, but for all the record it is showing the different letters. I hope this feature will be clear to you. Goodbye.